It's your boy Ron. How y'all doing? Let's get straight into it. So I follow this doctor on YouTube, and she is always giving health tips. And today she was talking about herpes, and it let me know that so many people are confused about how herpes work, right? They're not really educated on it. So check this out. Herpes simplex 1 mainly affects the oral region. Herpes simplex 2 mainly affects the genital area, but you can catch herpes simplex 1 to the genitals, and you can catch herpes simplex 2 to the oral region. Now, the only difference between herpes simplex 1 and herpes simplex 2 is that you have more outbreaks with simplex 2. Simplex 1, you really don't have many outbreaks. But what people don't understand is just because you have genital herpes does not mean that it's 2. It can be 1, right? And also, most people have herpes simplex 1. 90% of the population has herpes simplex 1. And this is where it gets confusing. Not everybody who has herpes gets it from sexual intercourse. You can get herpes from other things, but you getting herpes from other things, you can contract it to your genitals through sexual encounters. For example, if you have a cold sore, right? Let's say you, since a child, had a cold sore, right? And you grow up, and let's say you have an outbreak, you have a little cold sore in your mouth, and you give somebody oral. They can then catch herpes to the genitals. See, people are very confused about how this works, and that's why it's very important to educate yourself on this stuff. See, there's people, they go their whole lives having herpes and they don't even know it. They have families, they have kids. Nobody's really affected, but you can still have it. And the thing is, the human species has built up such an immunity to this virus because it's been around for so long. Most people don't even have outbreaks. Most people don't even know. You know what I'm saying? So the thing is, just always be mindful when it comes to sex. Always be mindful. Talk to your partners and make sure they're regularly getting tested. Just make sure you are keeping yourself healthy as well, because many people just aren't educated about certain things, and herpes is one of them. But I hope you learned something today. It's your boy Ron. I'm out.